Lesson 2. Stability and Capacity. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize how the forklift functions as a lever system to lift its load. Identify the definition and location for the center of gravity for the unloaded lift. Identify the definition and location of the stability triangle on the forklift. Identify the definition and location of a forklift's combined center of gravity, how it changes with the position of the load, and how it determines the stability of the forklift. Identify weight restrictions and load limits. Forklift, a lever system. The position of the load as well as the height off the floor of the forks is very important. When in a raised position, the load can cause the mast to act as a lever and the drive axle as a fulcrum, which may cause a tip over. This is why turns and sudden stops with a raised load are dangerous. Operating the mast during movement is not recommended. Center of gravity and stability triangle. The triangle is calculated from the center of the steer axle to both drive wheels. The center of gravity is represented by the highlighted dot in the triangle. Pictured is the center of gravity on an empty truck. Weight restrictions and load capacity. Every forklift has a capacity plate located where an operator can read it. It is a federal regulation that the load chart be accurate and legible. Before loading a forklift, the load chart must be checked to see if the truck you are operating has the capacity to lift and carry a load. Capacity ratings are usually based on a 24-inch load center, measured 24 inches from the face of the forks and 24 inches from the top of the forks. The center of this imaginary cube is the load center. When a load is moved outside of the 24-inch center line, there is a decrease in the amount of weight that can be handled safely.